C3 Sicilian Blitz Tournament. Eating some cereal. Play an hour of Blitz. Alright, it's on. Alright, this is Blitz, not Bullet. I'm like, why is he moving so slow? This is great. E5 looks pretty good. Should have gone here. E5 wasn't good. Yeah, Queen. But he's just playing normal development. Check. No problem. Yeah, this is kind of asking for trouble. Well, it either is a good move or it's a bad move. It's not asking for trouble. Don't give me that. I just got to be careful with this. Knight takes here. Have to bring the bishop back or the queen. Yeah, so I've given up quite a bit for the piece, but a piece is a piece. Ah, and I got this covered. I'm so slow, I didn't even notice that. Okay, he castles. I think that's a splendid idea. Good. Do I have any tricks? I don't think I have any tricks. Oh, he wants to trade queens. I'll trade queens with you on my terms. Okay, he has 3 pawns for the piece. I'm ahead in development. Yes, we'll put the 2 bishops. No, we don't want to lose a piece back. Shoot, I have no time. What? Oh, fuck. This happens so often. You just win this pawn. You got yourself a great game. I'm not worried about this at all. You're in trouble now. Gotta be a little careful because this rook is hanging. Maybe throw this in the mix. Just queen here would have been sufficient. Can still play queen there. Yeah, this looks good enough for the win. Should have just played that before this queen was out of position. Let's go here. Might need to move that rook to deliver a mate. Oh wait, no we won't. Queen here and here. How has everyone only played one game and I played 3? Usually it's the opposite. People have played like 6 games. I'm like, how is this possible? Alright, well, so far so good. First game is terrible, but probably going to play Constantine now, since he just won. I'm not getting a game. There we go, Constantine. Oh, please. You're done. Going down, baby. Hmm. Going down, man. Who told you you could mess with me? Who told you? You've been misinformed. You're playing alright. Considering playing the C3 Maestro. Okay, you want to give me a pawn? That's cool. Okay. How you getting your pawn back, bruh? Hmm. And you're like almost out of moves. Okay. Right, you want your pawn back? I'm up a pawn, so I could trade everything. But I'd rather keep it complicated. Nah, I should keep it complicated. Whoops. Mm. Or I win. Colts on bullet, I can take a minute. Rook C1 wins. Oh wait, no it doesn't. After queen takes, I gotta take with the queen. Oh, if only there was somewhere I could go where I could make that work. I don't see anywhere. Still best move, I think. Maybe he'll think he's fucked. Okay. Yeah, I want to keep the two bishops. Okay, a lot less time. King here, probably. More of that. Where's he going? I wants to go on opposite colored bishop endgames with this. I'm not really down for that. I'm not really down. Allow for a draw. He has more time. Shouldn't have done that probably, but it shouldn't matter. Oh well. What am I doing? This is garbage. E6 I should have played. Okay, well that's good. I scared him. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I could trade queens now. Probably I shouldn't castle queenside. Excuse me. This is just, no, it's just asking. Asking for the pain. Please, give it to me. Here's good. Yep. He's playing very well. Outside of the weird opening. I mean, I too am playing friggin' weird. You're making me nervous, man. This guy's making me real nervous. Myself in the middle of a tickle. No, this is garbage. I'm playing garbage. Whoa! Not cool. Not cool. What a mess. Am I getting mated here? I'm not. But I probably still shouldn't take the knight, but I have to take the knight. I'm losing the knight anyway. And probably the game here is it. Okay, well, I'm hanging in there. Kind of. Castle by hand, kingside. Yeah. Here. Should have played. Oh. That's why you're doing it? Oh, I can see why you would do it that way. Queen here is good. Queen here is good, yeah. I'm okay. I'm okay. Oh, that was bad. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Jesus. Very bad. Should have traded queens and ducked my king. God, I don't know what she's watching, but it sounds awful. I'm likely gonna get mated. In fact, rook here, king here, mate. Okay, he doesn't want to mate me. So I won't let him mate me if you don't want to mate me. Okay, he doesn't want to mate me. He wants to get my piece instead. I am down for that any day of the week. But let's just not lose on time. Okay, I'm winning. Yikes. Okay. Whew. Over 2,000. Still first place. It's tight though. I got two guys right on my ass. Whew. Wait, did it have the fire? Oh, I must have drawn then. Oh, did I stalemate the friggin' guy? Should have berserked. Normally I don't believe in berserking, but no. Dude, I gotta protect this. What the hell? H5, H4. Okay, that looks really slow. Not mating, unfortunately, with the sacrifice. Although, fun to make them worry about it. Alright, let's protect this. Sacrifice does not work. I don't want to do it anyway. Hmm. Right here is going to kill him. Oh, he could have taken my rook, probably. Or maybe knight there is not going to kill him. Maybe knight there is still going to kill him. I don't know what's happening. I don't even know if I hung a rook. How do we play chess? Alright, we gotta back that thing up. Yeah, it's all falling apart. Maybe I'm... Oh, okay, I'm alive again. I'm alive! Okay, that was incorrect move. Now I'm mating you. Am I mating you? Am I mating you? Maybe I'm not mating you. Oh, I think I'm still mating you. Yes. Oh, yes. Mate here. Oh, no, I'm not mating you. Oh, okay, I'm mating you. Whew. You could have slipped away. But I'm no longer first. Ja. A6, what's that got to do with it? You're confusing me, bruh. Bishop here. I should have played that last move. Gah. Bishop here. That would have almost straight up won. Oh well. We live and we learn. And we live some more. And then all of a sudden we're dead. Yeah, I don't know if I really am winning anymore. That may be good. But probably isn't. Oh, fuck, man. Give me a break. Ooh, this is with check. Howsers. Well, at least this is pins. Okay, now I'm back in business again. I don't want to take en passant. I do like a nice passeroonie. Pass pawns. They went through. They played knick-knack. Oh. Yeah, I don't know what's happening. Oh, man. Are they going to give me 3 pass pawns? I like 3 pass pawns. Got no checks. Give me time to hit the old resilience button. Who am I to tell you what to do? Okay, you got that pawn. You might get a queen. You might get a queen. I'm a little nervous. Okay, I'm going to get a queen first. And I'm going to take your rook. And I'm going to take this. Big bully is coming for you, Rico Caro. He lost the last game, and I'm on fire. If I only wouldn't have thrown that, stalemated that guy. What? I don't want to just take shit, but my bishop is too good. That would be absurd to do that. Money is not such a bad player. Be a little careful. Okay, maybe he's such a bad player. Probably rook d1. Oh, that's probably also good. Maybe knight here to here. Perhaps first get my queen. Where do I put my queen? I'm not quite sure yet. I'm going to do this. Jostling around. Well, I want to trap your queen, but that's not happening. That's not happening. I really don't want to take your bad bishop, but nothing, I don't have to take your bad bishop. I just feel like picking on you. Like the bully that I am. Just not sure where my queen goes. Should really connect to my rooks one of these days. Move this knight so I can do this. It's an idea to get him to do that. Knight here. I mean, it's very, very speculative. Hmm. Gotta hurry up. Oh. Okay. Two center pawns. Oh! Oh, it's amazingly I'm okay here. Amazingly I'm okay. This knight is a nice guy. Hitting this twice. Let's do this. No threat. Can't take him pinned. It's tough. He might be a little overextended. Maybe. What? How did I let this happen? Oh, okay. Lucky me. Feels a little cheap, but alright, Rico Caro does not yet have the fire, so I have a chance here. Just gotta keep winning. He doesn't have the fire yet. Oh, Sex God, I remember him. But I don't remember whether he played the C3 Sicilian. Don't recall this move. Can I push? No, probably I can't. Can I? Pawn takes. I should have played here last move. Stupid rookie one. Knight here would have been superior, I think. I'm not winning, but I'm doing well. Eggs are yummy. I better take this. I don't know what I'm doing with my queen. Not quite sure what my plan is. Just keep trying to trade queens. Trade queens. Knight is in good position. Now you want to trade queens with me. I honor your desire. Can't push this pawn. Actually, I can't push the pawn. Wow. That's, ugh. What the hell just happened? Oh, I still got first place. Oh. TPS. Oh, what's going on? Are you going to wait till 1 second? That's stupid. He's going to play 94. That one's not really cutting the mustard. Hmm. I've done that like 20 moves ago. Now I gotta win with queen versus rook. Okay, or not. This is much easier. Cool. Hey, looks like I won. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Oh, what? Oh, you fucking Tactosaurus. Oh, man, that's messed up. Oh, well. Let's get my trophy and then we'll go over some of the games. I'm so behind on going over games. Um, this one's interesting. We're just going to go over this one. I will go over all of them eventually, but I'm a little too tired. What time is it even? Oh, well, that went an hour, so just look at the end game. Yeah, I mean, this is winning. Where did I mess up? Took the knight, that can't be bad. Oh, yeah, the cheap trick. Rook f7 was a blunder. King f7. Okay, he gave me that. Still, it should be a draw. Oh yeah, this definitely should be a draw. Where did he mess it up? Oh, why was it only here? Oh, because before that he just kept checking me. Nice, I'm glad I found that. I mean, much harder would have been the reverse broken game. Yeah, and then this is easy. Cool, well, I'm going to analyze the other games, but I'm very tired now. Actually, let's not be too lazy. Alright, let's look at this one that we lost. We are Borg. Queen c7. Ah, bishop f4. Oh, bishop f4 is... Okay. Gonna remember this move, bishop f4. And he's in a lot of trouble. Don't do anything yet. This is tempting, right? Can I do this? Yeah, that's not really working. Okay, so just okay, bishop f4, bishop d7. Just be cool. Huh, it doesn't look that dominating. Well, I'll remember that one next time. Okay, well, I castled instead. Still bishop f4. Still bishop f4. No. Yeah, queen g4 right away, not this garbage. But I still should be winning because, yeah, I'm gonna look the exchange. Oh yeah, this is the game where I just didn't know what to do here. Came off the exchange. It says rook. Should go back to e1. c1. Yeah, this is lame. I mean, what am I going to push here and let him push past? Okay, I didn't think this was that good. h4, okay, h4 makes sense. This guy just blundered here. I'm just trying to understand if there's a tactical reason I let myself get into this mess. Rook c4. What is up with that? Oh yeah, I wanted to play this rook over. But that would let this pawn fall. Sorry, this is a nice simple solution. e3. Okay, I got this covered twice. This knight is nicely dominated. I can't attack this rook, and I'm going to bring this rook over. Okay. Yeah. Here, obviously, I can still save the day. Yeah, I'm still fine. But then, after this, yep, I'm just losing. Yeah. And I didn't resign yet. Yeah, I mean, this is resignable. Okay, you know what? Let's look at one more loss. Who else did I lose to? Well, I lost the first game. I don't know if I should have beat this guy. Okay, we'll look at this game too. In the very first game, I lost. Let's look at this. Why am I? Oh. He takes e5, why not? e5 is good. I criticized e5 because of this. d4. Okay, but I send him packing. Already, it's like I'm up a piece. Two, yeah. Great position. Bishop c3, not. Yeah, why give me the pawn back? Knight e5 on knight e4 would be cute. I'm gonna move the queen. I just gave him the pawn back. Should just take right away. Okay, now he has some compensation. Yeah. Letting him play e6 is not good. Oh. Well, that wasn't much to look at. I just blundered the piece. But already messed up a little. Yeah, I wanted to move this knight. d5, realized I couldn't do it. Engine says d3. Bishop d3. I guess, and then here. I don't think b5, I think d5. I guess b5 makes some sense. Try to get a pawn. Now d5. Next c5. e5. Hey, it's tough. I'm surprised it says +1 for white, and it looks like black almost has full compensation. My pieces are just clumsy. But could have avoided all that with some better opening play. Yeah, kick this guy to dodge first. I'm not saying sack the piece already. Oh wait, why? Yeah, I didn't play h3 because yeah, I'm hitting the rook at the end. Yeah, I'm hitting the rook at the end, so he doesn't have time to take this. I missed this, and now I can drop back to e2. Okie doke. Oh yeah, and we're gonna go over one more. This one. No, not this one. Maybe this one. Did we go over this already? Oh yeah, we did go over this one already. There's one more. Yeah, this one. b6. No, f6 right away. Thought about that. Yeah, this doesn't look that convincing. Alright, well, played queen b6 in the game. Now +3. Is that good, huh? Oh, because everything's falling. This is falling. And this is falling, then maybe this guy's lost. Yeah. Let's see. No, his neighbor. Alright, so instead, f6. Also good. F takes e3. e5. e7. Whoa, that's a computer move right there. Huh. Now d7. Why does it say B7 is so great? The engine does that sometimes. Weird engine. I need to miss this. D3. Oh, D3. That would have been nice. D3. E1. Oh, man. Oops. Oh, man. Look at that. D3. Game winner. Yeah, that would have been cool. This is like a chess temple. This is a chess temple, Lichess. Boom, D3. D3. Now we trade everything. Awesome. Alright, well, hope you enjoyed that final tactic in the games, and I will talk to you later.